Hey everybody, just wanted to pop on because I got this. Yes, I got suckered in with the advertisements on, social media. Everyday dose. I've been drinking another brand of which I absolutely love. Um, so I got curious about this, the mushroom latte, just to kind of see like what the difference was, if I was gonna feel any different, if I liked it, comparing the taste and all that. So I got this everyday dose. So this right here, this is how it comes packaged, all nice in this cute little box. Yeah. So this is like a one and done type of serving. So like if you want to have your latte on the go, then it comes with like some instructions. One day at a time. Yes. And that's really all you need. I mean, with the other brand, you guys, I absolutely love it. I drink it like once a day, and it gives me like sustained energy, or if I need that afternoon pickup. So I'm really kind of curious as to how this one will function. I'm gonna try this out for the 21 days and kind of do a compare. Comes with this like little cup, a spoon, and then the mushroom latte. The thing that I'm kind of like thinking that I might not like about this one is it has actual coffee in this, where the other one doesn't. This is cute. It's a nice little cup that you can drink from. Nice little travel mug. A nice little spoon for dipping out your mushroom coffee. And then you got the gold right here, the pot of gold. I will tell you guys, I was attracted to the packaging. Yes. And I don't know. It was something about this little packaging here. And I think the fact that it came in glass. And yeah. So I love that this is reusable, just like the other one. But this is just a glass container. So pretty cool. I really like that. So I'll be coming back on and letting you guys know what I think about the dose and everyday dose. I'll tell you how I feel about it compared to the other brand. All right, I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.